Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you. Thanks for coming back. I know it's been a hot minute since I've sat down and filmed an actual makeup tutorial, but this is the makeup look that I filmed today. Just a quick get ready with me. Honestly, this is what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks, just my go-to makeup look, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm getting ready to go for a girls' night, so I thought I would also film it as I'm getting ready, and of course, updating you guys on my life, what's been going on the last couple of weeks, where I've been. I think that's all I wanted to say. I might vlog our girls' night. We're just gonna do burgers and video games, so stay tuned for that at the end of the video. But yeah, I'm about to head out the door, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe. And if you want to see how to get this look, then keep watching. So we're just gonna jump right in and get started because I don't have that much time. I already prepped my skin with this Glam Glow Glow Starter Illuminating Moisturizer. This is in the shade Nude Glow. This is like my new favorite moisturizer currently. I love like the color it gives you. It gives you a hint of color and so much glow, so I love wearing it under makeup. So for foundation today, I actually want to try out this new foundation that I got from CoverGirl, the True Blend Matte Made Foundation. And I have this huge, okay, it's not gonna fit in the whole screen, but a huge giant ass box of every single color. This is really heavy, but I just wanted to show you guys this amazing PR package. I can't believe they sent me all 40 shades, so I'm gonna quickly match myself. I'm gonna try the shade M40, and if anything, I'll mix it with M30, but I am still pretty tan right now from my vacation, so I think this should be a good fit. And yes, this foundation has a pump, which is awesome. I love when drugstore foundations have pumps. So I put 2 dots on my hand. As you can see, it's pretty thick. Like, I would assume it's full coverage. It does say it lasts for 12 hours. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I don't know. That might be a little too dark, but we'll see. So let me just add a different shade. Okay. Looks better. All right, let's see. Life updates. What did I want to update you guys on? I've just been kind of traveling the last month. That's why I haven't been posting any YouTube tutorials. I have been very active on Instagram though. It's just this last month has been pretty crazy. I went on vacation the beginning of last month with my family, and I still have my tan, as you can see, which I'm really happy about. And then when I got back from my vacation, I went straight to LA for a photo shoot that I did with Elcie Cosmetics for their new product that's launching in June, I believe. It was so much fun. It was my first time doing like modeling for an actual campaign or photo shoot. So I was really nervous, but when I got on set, it was so chill. It was so much fun. And the girls that I got to work with were so gorgeous and so sweet, and especially Lilith. I got to meet Lilith, the founder of Elcie Cosmetics. If you guys know, I don't know if anyone really knows this, but way back when I started, I think like 5 years ago when I started doing makeup, she was one of the first people that I followed and like looked up to as far as her artistry and just like her makeup skills and just her as a businesswoman. It's just so inspiring, and she is just like the sweetest person ever. We got to hang out the second day after the photo shoot when I had my free day. I actually really like this foundation. It's definitely medium to full coverage, and it's not like super matte, or maybe that just might be because I have a super glowy moisturizer underneath. I don't know, but I like the finish of it. It's pretty nice. But anyways, so I was on vacation for 2 weeks last month, the beginning of last month, with my family. Ooh, that's really bright. This is MAC Prolong Wear Concealer. So we went to the Dominican Republic for 2 weeks, which was amazing, but I'm just not used to like not doing anything for 2 weeks, like not working, not filming. So it was definitely kind of a bit of a struggle for me to kind of relax, but I definitely needed it, and I'm glad I went. Okay, I know this looks crazy, but I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of cream contouring with my favorite right now, the NYX Wonder Stick. This thing is so creamy and it blends out like a dream, so I love using it to just bronze up my skin. And I've been loving cream contouring the last couple of weeks, so this is like my go-to product. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So when I started makeup, I think like 5 years ago, Lilith was one of the first people that I like really looked up to as an artist, because she has like her studio and stuff, and that was before She began her brand Elcie. So I've been following her journey since the beginning. So it's just crazy how we ended up doing the shoot together for her brand. Like, I'm just so proud of her and how far she's come. And she's like literally the most genuine person I've ever met in this beauty community slash industry, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I had the best time. I am going to add some liquid highlighter as well. So I'm going to use these iconic illuminating drops. And the way I actually like to apply this is I'll put some on the back of my hand, and then with my beauty blender, I'll put this on my cheeks. I feel like this method really gives you like a natural glow from within. Like, it looks so pretty and glossy. Okay, so I'm baking a little under my eyes with this KatVonD translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna do my brows in the meantime. I got this new eyebrow brush, you guys. I talked about this on my Instagram and Snapchat last week. I just discovered the Anastasia 7B eyebrow brush, you guys. Okay, let's just compare my old brush that I was using before this. So if I put them side by side, so this is the Anastasia one and the Sigma one. So if I put them side by side, obviously the Anastasia one is like way thinner. It literally looks like a needle compared to any other brush. So I'm really able to get like actual brow hair strokes, which is amazing. So I've been practicing doing that because I love that look now with like feathered eyebrows. But anyways, that's what I've been up to the last month and a half. Just a lot of travel and a lot of behind the scenes work, which I'm so excited for you guys to see what I'm working on. I have a lot of things coming out towards the end of this year, which I can't talk about just yet. Sometimes I just want to like scream and tell you guys because I'm just so excited, but I can't yet. So yeah, that's what I've been up to, just being really secretive. Just kidding. Okay, so I had to finish my brows off camera because it was taking way too long. I'm gonna bronze up using the Elcie bronzer in the shade medium. It's my favorite bronzer right now. And now, since the CoverGirl foundation has already set, I'm starting to notice that it's kind of making my skin feel really tight and like dry. I don't know if it's maybe too matte for me or I don't know, but hopefully some Fix Plus can fix that. For blush, I'm gonna use the blush that comes in the Dream palette from Deck of Scarlet. This is in collaboration with Kim Tai. Look how cute. She is their artist-in-chief for May and June, and you guys know I love these boxes. So if you guys don't know much about Deck of Scarlet, I've done a ton of videos on my Instagram with a lot of their palettes, but they are basically a subscription service. They come out with palettes every 2 months, and they collaborate with different makeup artists to create a personalized palette that includes highlighters, blushes, eyeshadows, and lipsticks. And this is what the palette 08 looks like. I love the tones of this, so I'm going to use this blush from the palette. But if you want to see an actual tutorial of me using the palette, I will link it below. It's on my Instagram. I did a whole video using only this palette, but I love this blush that comes in this palette. It's just like the perfect rosy color. So pretty. Also in this month's palette, they have a lip gloss, and when I saw this one, it reminded me of that Fenty gloss. It's actually so pretty. It's like rose gold with hints of gold reflex. It's honestly like the perfect everyday gloss. As you can see, it's super glossy too. Looks so nice. If you guys want to check out the palette, I'll leave it linked below. Okay, now I'm going to drench my face in some MAC Fix Plus. This is the lavender one, my favorite scent. Anything lavender I'm obsessed with, if you guys didn't know. But since my skin feels so dried out from that foundation, I really need to just drench myself, so... Before it fully dries down, I'm going to apply some highlighter. I got this new highlighter. So this is from Persona Cosmetics. I mean, it looks like, you know, just a regular highlighter. Wait till you see it on. I was like shook. Okay, the tiniest amount is insane. Like what? What? This is crazy. It's literally like glass on your skin. So try not to go too ham on it. I'm gonna put on one of my favorite lip products, the Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar Lip Gloss. I wear this like every single day. It's kind of expensive for just a lip gloss, but it's totally worth it in my opinion because the formula of this, it literally feels like a lip balm. Ooh, I love this smell. All right, so that completes this quick and easy makeup look. Honestly, this is like what I do when I don't know what to do. This is my go-to look, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go change and head over to Jamie's house. Ooh, yum. We're prepping right now. What are you doing? Teriyaki burgers?
Yeah, if we want, we can.
That looks so good. Okay, show us how it's done.
Okay, this is the first, so wish me the best of luck.
This is our first time grilling burgers, you guys. We have no supervision. Yum. You're doing great, sweetie.
Thanks.
Then we have some pineapples. Good job.
Really good.
We did it, you guys. They came out so nice and juicy. I'm actually so hungry.
I know. Once I started making the food, I got super hungry. Nice.
Oh my gosh, mine has a lot of stuff.
Crunch.
I feel so bad. They're outside watching.
Okay, here we go.
Nice. That's so good. Woo!
Cheers!
Little potato. Oh, hi.
Oh, you just killed me! Oh my god, you got rainbow.
Yes. I don't know what that means, but
You like turned rainbow, so you're like indestructible.
oh my gosh, no. I go for a little walk. Strap that potato.
There we go.
You guys ready for your walk? Yeah? Oh. Oh. You're tying me up here. Oh, sir.